Welcome to Sustainable Solutions Day. This is a whole school event where we showcase student learning. Everything is brought together with sustainability and with care for the community, human and more than human.
This focuses specifically on our 4S approach. So the students are really talking about how they went through the pathway of sensing, seeking, shaping, and storytelling in their regenerative design units, and families get a chance to experience it firsthand. It's an amazing day of student voice and agency.
It's all about trying to get motorbikes and other vehicles to run more cleanly and more efficiently. This is an oxyhydrogen generator, and it splits water molecules into 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. That all flows out of this and up here where we get a gas output where we can put into the engine to make it run more efficiently and cleanly.
I'm showcasing my greenstone on making paints, inks, and pigments, all from natural waste or natural materials found in Bali and Indonesia.
So this is my metal detector. To get this electricity in this LED, it needs to have a lot of electricity here. To get to there, it needs to go around 18 times around here. And when you put this here, it blinks.
So there's lots of different cases that we're working on which have different people who have been in prisons for absolutely no reason, and writing these letters can really help change a life, and lots of others to follow as well.
So much to allow students to showcase what they're learning. This is what happens when we allow young people to go through their learning in ways that make sense for them, but always contributing to community. It's wonderful to see here and discover what young people are capable of if only we flatten hierarchies and let them be the learners that they can be.
Today really showcases the student agency that comes through in the learning approach that we have here. Students are really driving the learning at Green School, and this is evidence of that.